How to make hash browns. Learning how to make hash browns that are crispy and delicious is easy. Here's how. What you need: 1 medium or large potato, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon butter, and salt to season. Step 1. Peel the potato. Step 2. Grate the potato into a bowl of cold water so the potato won't oxidize. Step 3. Put the shredded potato into a colander and rinse under cold water to get rid of the starch. Step 4. Squeeze as much water out of the potatoes as you can. Step 5. Lay out paper towels or a tea towel and use it to dry the potatoes. Drying the potatoes makes them come out crispy. Step 6. Preheat a large pan on level 6 or medium-high heat and add the oil and butter. Step 7. Once the butter melts, add the shredded potatoes. Step 8. Season with salt. Step 9. Put a lid on the pan and cook for 5 minutes. Do not remove the lid during this time. Step 10. When the 5 minutes are up, remove the lid and flip the potatoes and cook on medium-low heat, level 5, for another 3 minutes. I didn't flip mine perfectly and they still came out amazing, so don't worry if this happens to you. Step 11. Plate the hash browns and serve on their own, or with eggs, or with your favorite breakfast side dish. I love my hash browns with some ketchup. Enjoy! Thanks a lot for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button for more tasty recipes. Bye for now!